Chapter 7. The World of Birds. We see many kinds of birds around us. Birds are unique in one way that all birds have feathers. They breathe faster than any other animals. Their heart beats faster and their body temperature is higher. Feathers. The body of a bird is covered with many feathers. These feathers are of three kinds: flight feathers, down feathers, and body feathers. Flight feathers are usually found on the wings and the tail. They help in flying. Down feathers are fluffy and soft. They keep the bird's body warm. Down feathers are found in newborn birds. Body feathers cover the bird's body. They give shape to its body. Fact 5. A sparrow has about 3,000 feathers in summer, but as many as 3,500 in winter to keep it warm. A swan has more than 25,000 feathers. What makes a bird fly? Have you ever wondered why birds can fly while we cannot? Birds have some special features that help them to fly. Let us learn about them. Birds have two wings. They have strong muscles to move the wings. These muscles are attached to the breastbone. These are called flight muscles. The body of a bird is shaped like an aeroplane. It is broad in the middle and narrow at the two ends. Such a body is called a streamlined body. A streamlined body helps the bird to cut through the air. Birds have strong but hollow bones. Hollow bones make the bird's body very light. A light body is helpful in flying. Since flying needs much energy and strength, a bird has a very efficient heart that supplies continuous blood to all parts of the body. How does a bird fly? A bird flies with the help of its wings. When it starts to fly, it flaps the wings up and down gradually and goes high up in the air. In the air, it stops flapping the wings and spread out them. In this position, it goes on gliding in the air. The bird makes two kinds of movements with its wings during flying. These movements are called upstroke and downstroke. Upstroke lifts the bird's body in the air. Downstroke helps the birds to come down. Flying habits of birds. Birds have different flying habits. Hens, roosters and ducks fly for short distance. Pigeons and swallows fly over long distance. Crows and sparrows fly at low height. Eagles and hawks fly at high heights. Most birds fly, but there are some birds that do not fly at all. They are called flightless birds. Ostrich, kiwi, emu, penguin. Migratory birds. Some birds fly very long distances. They fly from one country to another country due to changes of weather condition and in search of food. For example, Arctic tern and Siberian crane. Nesting habits. Birds build nests to lay eggs. They choose places which are safe from enemies and bad weather. Birds use material like twigs, dry leaves, cotton, thread, wool, feather, hair, pieces of cloth, paper and pebbles to build their nest. The eggs are laid in the nest. After some time, the eggs hatch and baby birds come out. When the baby birds are big enough, they fly away. Most parent birds also leave the nest. They build new nests when they have to lay eggs again. Some birds build their nests in different shapes. Fact 5. The ostrich is the largest and the heaviest living bird. It cannot fly, but it can run at a speed of 70 km per hour. Fact 5. The world's smallest bird is the hummingbird. It weighs only 1.6 grams.